Dr. Simran, and I'm happier with a new video after so long on YouTube. I really feel bad that I have not been regular on YouTube, and previously I used to post many videos, but nowadays I have been caught up on few works because I shifted to a new place. As you can see, the background is totally changed, and I've been doing a lot of other things also. So that's why I was preoccupied with some work. But now I've chosen that I would be on YouTube regularly, and I would be hosting few YouTube live videos also. So today's video is all about my new YouTube camera gear. So since I've decided to do YouTube full time, so there are a few things that I needed to buy, because previously I was shooting most of my videos with my iPhone. Honestly, it was good, but the thing is that obviously you need your phone most of the time, and you cannot shoot long videos with your iPhone. Plus one more thing was that the quality of the videos used to suffer a lot, because phone is a phone, right? That is why most of the YouTubers prefer shooting on their cameras instead of preferring their phones. So that is why I got the new camera gear, and I would be sharing few details of what I got for me to do the full-time YouTube work. The first thing that I got is the Pixie Mini Tripod. This is a handheld tripod, and I've seen many YouTubers using the same, and it is very convenient to shoot the vlogs with this in place, and you can place it anywhere. So let me show you how to hold it. So this is very sturdy, and I wanted to make sure that whatever product I am purchasing along with my camera, that should be sturdy, because if you're buying an expensive camera and you have cheap products, it is not going to help you, because it can make your camera suffer a lot of damage, because it can fall apart if you are buying a cheap tripod. So this is a tripod which is basically meant for vlogging, as well as whenever I would be shooting a time lapse or a study with me video on YouTube. So I would be placing my camera over here. So you can see there's a mount over here where I can fix my camera. I would be showing you how to fix my camera over here. And this Pixie tripod is from the company Manfrotto, and this costed me around 1800 bucks. I got it from a local showroom in Gurgaon only. I didn't order this online. So now sharing with you the camera which I'm really excited to show you. This camera is Canon M50, and honestly I was really confused between buying a DSLR camera and a mirrorless camera, and I did a lot of research online. I saw a lot of reviews on Amazon, and finally I got my hands on the mirrorless camera, because wherever I searched for the reviews, people were saying that mirrorless camera is a new technology, you should not go for the DSLRs, and DSLRs are quite bulky. So I got my hands on this mirrorless camera, which is Canon M50, and trust me, this is considered one of the best cameras for vlogging as well as YouTube. So let me show you. I already opened this camera, but just for the sake of unboxing, I need to show you. This is how the Canon M50 looks like. So this is a very lightweight, and this is having a very sturdy body. Let me zoom it. So this is how the camera looks like. This is really sturdy without the lens, so it is like weighing nothing. So this I got a 15-45mm lens with this, and as well as I purchased another lens with it, and I'll be showing you soon. So this camera has a mic, external mic support. This is the major that you can say a major upgrading, because most of the vloggers used to buy that G7X Mark II, but the thing is that G7X Mark II never had that external mic support. So when you are vlogging outside and there's a lot of crowd, so your voice is totally blurred. So you need a camera with external microphone if you need to shoot the videos with a clear audio. And remember that I've searched a lot that audio quality matters a lot if you want your channel to grow, so your videos should have a crisp audio quality. This is having a HDMI port also. You can look at here. This HDMI port is helpful when you want to mirror your screen, your camera screen on a laptop or iPad or wherever you want to. You just need to buy one HDMI cable, and the HDMI cable that would go with it would be the micro HDMI cable. Let me show you how the HDMI ports look like. So these are the HDMI ports, and there is a micro HDMI port. So you need to buy a micro, not a mini HDMI port. Remember that. And this camera, the overall build is very sturdy, and it comes with a flip screen. The most amazing feature that I like about it is the flip screen. So with flip screen, you can usually visualize yourself while shooting, and you get to know that whatever you're shooting is correct or not. Usually what happens is you just shoot blindly and it does not show up, and in the end result it is not as per your expectations. So the flip screen is really important if you are buying the camera. So there have been people who have been telling me that don't go for flip screen, because I've been to Chroma and the salesman told me not to go for the flip screen. But the thing is that I don't care if it breaks or whatever, I'll take it with care. But the thing is that you need to know how you look while shooting. That boosts your confidence, and you know how your background is looking. You're not going on a blind video, right? So this is how the flip screen looks like. And this camera comes along with the 15-45mm lens. 15mm is like the wide angle shot, and 45 as soon as upgrade it, it becomes more zoom out view. So in the next video I'll be showing you how this camera looks like, what kind of quality images does it produce. And one more thing I want to tell you about it is that this camera, whenever you shoot a video, it comes with a lot of effects. You can apply a lot of effects on your video, and you don't need to do any additional editing because it saves a lot of your time. So this was all about Canon M50 camera, and now I'm going to show you the next product. So the next thing that I got for my YouTube gear was this Canon 50mm lens. So this 50mm lens is really necessary if you want to get the cinematic shots, if you want to get a bokeh effect, you want a proper background blurring. You might have seen many YouTubers, having a perfect background blur and the perfect aesthetic video. So such kind of videos as well as such kind of pictures, they can come up with the 50mm lens. But remember one thing, that if you got this 50mm lens for a mirrorless camera like Canon M50, so you need to purchase an additional mount on which you can place this DSLR lens. Because the lens is DSLR, this is made for DSLRs, but this camera is mirrorless. So you need to purchase a mount. I'm going to show you how that mount looks like. So this is the mount adapter that I ordered online from Amazon. This was actually not available anywhere, not even on the Canon store. So this is the mount adapter that you need to order in order to place any type of lens on a mirrorless camera, and this will cost you around 7,000 bucks. This 50mm camera is for the 50mm lens is for around 8,400 INR, and this Canon M50 camera will cost you around 52,000. I got it for 52,000. So overall, if you're thinking that you need to make one-time investment, then go for this camera, because this is going to be with you lifelong. You can always upgrade your lenses, but the camera should be really sturdy and it should be pocket friendly also. So this camera I would be able to carry anywhere, because this is very lightweight and very convenient. So in the next video I would be showing you few of the tech specs, and I would be showing you a close-up look of this camera, because in this video I cannot shoot. So stay tuned, and I hope you really liked my new camera gear, and I'm eagerly waiting to shoot new videos using this camera, and soon I would be starting few vlogs also. And I'm planning to go live on YouTube and do the study with me sessions. So whoever whomsoever is suffering from so the YouTube live sessions would all about study with me sessions, and they would really help you to motivate yourself. They would really help you to concentrate on whatever you are doing, so you can study with me online live. So that is the biggest advantage, and that would just eradicate your boredom also. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. So I'll be coming up with a new video really soon, so stay tuned. Bye bye.